fucking DSB, fucking wank band, and toy fucking band, fucking bra bands and shit. We got fucking Corky MC, fucking master. Yeah man, fucking check out my new bike, looking bike lad. But fucking check out this lad. Fucking zoom in, fucking zoom in on him.
Where is he?
Fuck are you? Yeah, he's here out. Check out him bubbling. Fucking this is a bastard down this lad. Fucking gone in a 90-degree angle like this lad. He's gone, censored the tyre and you're oh! Oh, only 88 the tyre. And now I can't fucking fix it. I'm gonna fucking sack it up for 10 days. Go to Texaco every day. Be really pissed off because I can't be asked fucking changing it. And then I'm gonna get a bunch of type parts for my bike with a fucking wheel on it, fucking bolts and shit, fucking crank, fucking pedals lad. Fucking pedals here lad. Fucking tie fucking pins lad.
More of them.
Tie flame lad. Fucking new pedals lad. Fucking sound lad. Fucking yeah. Now we're gonna fucking test out
They
these
don't
new
work
pedals.
though. They don't work.
What the fuck? What the fuck lad? But now we're gonna test out these new pedals on these pedals lad.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna fucking do a big wheelie like this lad. It's gonna be fucking sketchy this lad. Yeah man. Oh fuck.
Do it then. Oh, I broke.
The fucking new pedals. These are tie as well. These cost me
Check out them.
£100.
Oh, what make they?
Yeah, fucking my own lad. Called E-Class. Yours.
Sound.
Fucking give us a wave.
Yeah, lad.
Give us a wave. Oh, I got the fucking zooming shit going on now.
You got grips today.
Yeah, fucking tie ones. Got fucking tie stickers as well. Because everyone knows the normal stickers are too heavy. About £2 a sticker those. But when they're tie, they're 0.2 pounds. Fucking sound lad. That is what makes my bike so fucking light.
What bike is it? What bike is it?
What bike is it?
Yeah, lad.
Fucking Corky MTs lad. Check out my fucking
Yeah.
sticker. That's another fucking tie sticker. Says fucking S&M Bikes, which is my own company lad.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, what? That's a fucking bolt, and it's gone so through far that it's gone through the fucking other side, lad. Check it out. That is my signature frame called Corky's Bolt MC, lad. Yeah, lad.
Oh,
Check
God.
it out. It has a 3D dimension as well, then, lad. Check it out with your fucking camera. Yeah, yeah, come here. Listen closely. Come over here, lad. Listen closely. You can hear a fucking punch you. Can you hear it? Can you hear it, lad?
I don't know.
I don't fucking hear it. It looks fucking shit. Is it a ball? Is it fucking... It's like fucking glass.
Yeah, your pedal fell off.
Don't even know what the fuck it is. It could be a fucking song. It looks pretty shit anyway. I'm gonna fucking fly this shit. Yeah, we've got a nice fucking rusty stem.
What make is that? Is that a custom?
S&M lad.
Oh, that's sick.
My signature fucking... Yeah, for signature fucking company lad. Sound. Fucking peddling the spruce off something like that. Fucking peddling the spokes. Fucking peddling the spokes.
Go do some tricks.
I'm gonna fucking peddling spokes lad.
Hey, gonna do a trick.
That's all my fucking wheel will blow up.
Don't do a dance then.
I'll fucking do a dance anyway, and he like fucking yeah, man. Whoa, fucking slippy, this fucking half. Fucking slippy. That's my dance for today, boys. What you call even 60 oranges. Like this, lad. Fucking 60 oranges. Then you go down and pick the pedals up, fucking transfer the pedals. Fucking transfer the pedals up. Fucking go back to Brothers because it's his pedal lad. Oh no wait, it's my signature pedal. I'm gonna fucking put it somewhere else, I don't know where. Fucking put it in the seat. So when I sit down it goes right in my arse crack.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah, it's fucking nice off. Oh fuck yeah.
Oh, check out that action. Do it again for me.
Fucking yeah lad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's fucking sexy. my bike, boys. Thank you for watching today. And I'll even count down on my IPs, and I find you, and I'll give you a free fucking S&M bike. Right, like, whoever watches this fucking video, lad. Right, fucking like this. You get a fucking new frame, lad. Yes, boys. And that's it.
Oh, you!
Fucking anime, lad.